Cars nowadays have been developed into many kinds of features and technologies that make them to be one more step ahead. In 2021, many brands take the stage by equipping their cars with futuristic technologies to catch their customers' attention. Here is the list of 11 most sophisticated cars in 2021 that will be very shameful to pass before the end of the year. One. Koenigsegg CCXR Trevita. The first car that is worthy to get sophisticated car predicate in 2021 is Koenigsegg CCXR Trevita. This car is known as one of the fastest cars in the world, which can speed up to 410 km per hour. The car's body itself is made from carbon, which makes it lighter than the ordinary car body's materials. Moreover, its machine uses a dual supercharged V8 with 4.800 cc of capacity, which can produce energy up to 1080 horsepower at 7.000 rpm and torsion 1080 Nm at 5.600 rpm. The word Trevita comes from Swedish meaning three whites, which describes the coated fiber on the car body that transforms the fiber color from black into a sparkling silvery white. 2. BMW i8. The next sophisticated car in 2021 is the BMW i8, which is labeled as the sports car of the future. The car, designed by Mario Majdanczyk, Benoit Jacob, and Richard Kim, is an electric car with ion lithium battery 7.1 kWh as the power supply. BMW i8 is able to accelerate from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 4.4 seconds with maximum speed of 250 km per hour, 155 miles per hour. The efficiency of the fuel is 2.1 liters 100 kilometers with NEDC test with carbon emission score of 49 grams kilometer. EPA assesses its efficiency as 76 equivalent. The BMW i8 machine has capacity 1499 cc L3 turbo and uses hybrid synchronous motor. This car is produced in Leipzig, Germany, and known as one of the most efficient sports cars. 3. Tesla Model S. The next sophisticated car in 2021 is Tesla Model S, which is an electric car with 5 doors. Tesla Model S is officially produced by Tesla Incorporated, which was produced from 2012 up to now. Model S is produced in October 2016 and offers special feature that makes Tesla becomes the most popular smart electric car so far. This feature is known as Auto Drive that enables driver to not drive the car while using it. The autopilot mode in Tesla cars is built in August 2017, and it has been developed to allow the car to find a parking lot and park automatically, also to pick up its owner without any driver's drive inside the car. The car, designed by Franz von Holzhausen, uses 100 ion lithium kWh battery as its power supply, and it provides energy for the car to run up to 507 to 595 kilometers. 4. Bugatti Veyron by Mansory Vivier. The next sophisticated car is Bugatti Veyron by Mansory Vivier, which is exclusively a limited edition masterpiece of Bugatti Veyron. Modified wings, a shortened bonnet, and a striking front apron makes the car unique from the other sports cars. LED daytime running lights in its front adds a signature touch to the car, plus the V logo is also placed on the center of its front that emphasizes the name Vivier. The Bugatti Veyron Vivier uses the most powerful brakes in the automotive industry, which can decrease its high speed at more than 2 grams. This car is also equipped very well with optimum crash properties, which can protect the car from crash when it runs at high speed. The optimum crash properties are made from extremely strong, aviation-grade stainless steel for the rear chassis and certified already based on industry standards. The Vivier's each tire costs at $10,000 excluding the shipping costs, while the car itself costs $2.3 million. 5. Ferrari Pininfarina Sergio. The popularity of Ferrari is hugely impacted by its authentic design. An Italian legendary house designer, Pininfarina was the man behind a red horse car. At first, the car was named as Ferrari 458 Spider, but it has already been changed several times to make the body lighter. Ferrari Pininfarina Sergio uses a V8 4.5-liter machine which can supply power up to 562 horsepower. The car is designed as a simple open-top car and made from incorporation of unique aerodynamic design elements that enables the acceleration ability from 0 to 62 miles per hour, 100 kilometers per hour, in 3.4 seconds only. 6. Ford Evos. The next worthy sophisticated sports car to discuss in 2021 is Ford Evos, which offers uniqueness differs it from any other sports cars with provides 4-seat despite of the sports car status. Another uniqueness that Evos offers is its machine, which is a hybrid machine with extra conventional machine to add more power for the car. It's officially produced in 2021 in China by its manufacturer, Ford. This car is classified as mid-size crossover SUV instead of sports car. On the interior, Ford Evos provides a large touchscreen panel spanning 1.1 meters as the digital instrument cluster. 7. Ferrari F60 America. The next supercar is the Ferrari F60 America that is popularly known for its speed up to 60 miles per hour in just 3.1 seconds. Ferrari is known for its authentic no-roof design sports car, so this concept is still implemented on this variant as well. Introducing red as the winning color, Ferrari F60 America still wears this phenomenon color as its two-tone layout. On the interior, the passenger seat is covered in black leather which is trimmed with red color. Limited production makes this car exclusively as the previous sports cars as well. It costs $2.5 million, which is slightly cheaper than the Pagani Huayra BC. 8. Koenigsegg 11. The name 11 comes from its machine capacity, which is 1340 cc, that can supply power up to 1340 horsepower. Koenigsegg 11 becomes the next considered sophisticated car with a concept of Formula 1 car. Designed from carbon fiber material, the car can speed up to 273 mph, and it offers an exclusive variant of ceramic ventilated brake which has become the most sophisticated brake so far. Despite all its features, the Koenigsegg 11 is cheaper compared to other sports cars on the same level, that is $2 millions. 9. Koenigsegg Grijara. Still from the Koenigsegg company, the next megacar is the Koenigsegg Grijara, which was announced at Geneva in 2015. This variant highlights its winning features: 3 electric motors combined with a powerful twin-turbo V8 and a high-performance, ultra-light battery pack to produce over 1500 horsepower. Koenigsegg Grijara uses electric motors to support the car takeoff with a combustion engine at 30 km per hour and beyond. Using traction control and front brake and back made from ventilated ceramic, Koenigsegg Grijara costs $2 million. 10. Lamborghini Sesto Elemento. The next sophisticated car that is worth a try for every sports car lover is Lamborghini Sesto Elemento. This car offers its lightness that comes from the carbon fiber, which is the material for every sports car's body. With the acceleration from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.5 seconds and power supply from the machine up to 570 horsepower and torsion 540 Nm, makes this car cheap enough to cost at $2.2 million compared to other sports cars in this class. 11. McLaren P1 GTR. The 11th worth sophisticated car to buy in 2021 is McLaren P1 GTR that stands out its machine V8 hybrid turbocharged 3.8-liter which can supply power up to 986 horsepower, bigger than McLaren P1 standard variant. This car can accelerate from 0 to 60 mph in just 2.4 seconds and speed up to 362 km per hour. Designed by Frank Stevenson and Robert Melville, this electric motor and the petrol engine sports car is charged for $2 million. Alright, that is the end of our video. Well, which is your favorite one? Let us know in the comment below. Don't forget to like and share if you guys enjoyed it. Also, please kindly subscribe our channel for more insightful videos.